Hey, hey you. Yeah, you. I know you're looking at me at the other side of that camera. If you're feeling dissatisfied with what you're doing for a living, you have to learn something new, think something new, say something new, and do something new to get out of the rut you are in. If you're feeling dissatisfied at work, you're 80% of America. Well, at least you're not alone. If you'd like to not be dissatisfied at work, and if you would like to create your own future, and if you would like to have more time to do what you would like to do, and if you would like to have more security when it comes time for retirement, you may really want to take time to watch the 13-minute video in the link below or comment below so you know what we can do and what we offer in order to help you not feel dissatisfied. Comment below if you have any questions or concern. And if this video was of any value to you, slam dunk that like button for me.